Sorcery is the foundation to religion. The people whose spirits are tied to evil altars in religion will live a life of bondage. They are controlled by the workers of iniquity who sacrifice them on their evil altars to devils. The workers of iniquity are successful in doing this because the Israelites and indigenous black people give the kingdom of darkness permission when they follow Satan's ministers in religion. Many people who are trapped in religion are living defeated lives, especially the indigenous black people. When the people establish evil covenants, they are now worshiping devils. The devils they are worshiping has permission to do as they please in the sheep life, and the people have no idea. Most indigenous black people and Israelites believe they are serving the Elohim of Israel. The scripture said the leaders of these people are misleading them. The people who are led by the workers of iniquity and religion are destroyed.